You found my cookies?
No, those are from Santa. Santa's come. Brooklyn, Santa came last night and he decorated for us. Look. What do you think? Do you like it? Why don't you like it?
I said I don't like it, the cookies.
You can have those cookies. Santa was sharing. Isn't that nice?
It's not ho ho ho.
It's not?
No, it's not in here.
I know it's not here right now, but Santa comes in the night while you're sleeping.
No, it's supposed to wake up.
And then when you wake up, you're surprised and you go, wow! Look how pretty everything is. See? And look, this is your stocking right here. Look, this is Brooklyn's right here. Ready? That's yours. Go look. Go look, Brooke.
No, it hurts in my ears. What about this?
Look in this, Brooke. Right over here. Come look. Come get in there.
A ball?
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
Brooklyn, no. Here.
Look at that. Boxed up, huh? We gotta chase
Where's
Gracie
the
down.
cut? Hey, Mommy, where's the cut one?